Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to review one of the most hot decentralized exchange projects of Cardano blockchain. Yes, we are waiting to the Alonso and Gauguin hard fork of Cardano in August, but a couple of projects are already emerging as the PancakeSwap or Uniswap for Cardano blockchain. And you know that I already covered Polkaswap, which for me it will be the decentralized exchange for the Polkadot ecosystem based on Sora network. You know that I am very bullish on PSwap token. Now I am behind the next decentralized exchange project Shim for Cardano. So let's review this project together. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And put your comments below. I will be continuing doing this review for Cardano blockchain because I think we could have together a very good opportunity to enter into some specific projects that I think will outperform any other project for the centralized exchange in Cardano. So this is a video that will help you to the next phase of this bull run. Without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, today, like I said before, we are going to review one of the most important projects right now of the decentralized exchange based on the Cardano blockchain. This project is called SundaeSwap. You can see the graphic is like PancakeSwap, like not too professional for my taste, but anyways, that doesn't mean that the project cannot be a good investment. So I will be reviewing this project here, and you know that I am very honest with my reviews. I will say what I think about the project, what are the expectations, and if I see some red flags like I mentioned with Polkadot on my other video, I will tell also that. So what is SundaeSwap? SundaeSwap is a decentralized exchange and is based on an automated market maker on Cardano. So when you go first to the website, we don't have the new website yet, so it's under construction. So if you click back to the old site, you will go here, which actually you cannot do too much. You have like some specification here on how the project or what the project will be doing during the 2021 here. So, but it's not actually a roadmap. It's mainly some points that the project will be doing. If you go to the white paper, you will be redirected here. This is more like a light paper. I will not call it white paper. It's only 5 pages. I already read everything here. There's not much difference with another decentralized exchanges. A couple of things that are good is that the fee of the SundaeSwap, it will be a 0.2%. This is also like PancakeSwap, is the same percentage. In Uniswap, you have a 0.3%. So it's according to the normal prices, cheap prices, fees on the centralized exchanges. It will use the automate market maker, so you will not have the book orders like in the centralized exchange. You will have, it will work like Uniswap or PancakeSwap basically. So, because you already know we have the Merry launch on Cardano at the end of March, and that opened the door to the thing that anyone can create native tokens on Cardano. So this decentralized exchange is created to be able to swap all those tokens on the Cardano blockchain. And also, of course, you will be able to bridge on the decentralized exchange with another tokens with another blockchain, like RC20 tokens, for example. We already saw that in Polkaswap and another platforms, the interoperability to another blockchains, that also will happen here. But now this is a hot topic because we already have it Polkaswap for Polkadot ecosystem, so we are behind the next gem for Cardano blockchain. I am very bullish on Cardano, so that is why I am looking into this right now. So if we go to some of the Git book for SundaeSwap, The tokenomics that we have here is not confirmed yet. You need to understand that for all this exchange to work, we need the smart contracts on Cardano blockchain to really have the power of the decentralized exchange. So not only this project, but many other projects and projects that I will be reviewing soon too, are in very early stages. So there are a lot of things that are not complete public to the community, so you need to be very careful. Of course, many of these projects also will not survive, will not be the one for the community and ecosystem. So you need to be very selective in which one you will be investing and which one you will not. So that's part of why I am doing these reviews. So the SundaeSwap, it will have a token which is called Sundae. We will have more functionalities after being launched, of course, but the Sundae token, it will help for the power of the Sundae lottery, the liquidity pools, and yield farming. This is the same as with the Polkadot. We will be able to get earnings from put our Cardano into the liquidity pool, and we will reward with Sundae tokens. So a couple of things. The supply, it will be 200 millions. This is not the max supply of the token for this blockchain, for this decentralized exchange. This 200 million is not said here, but it are for the ISO, which it will be the first thing that we will have the way to earn the Sundae tokens. Before be listed in any exchange, I will be covering that soon. So be careful that this is not the max supply. One thing that I don't like is that the tokens will be meant to reward Sundae stakers. That's okay, but the token, it will be inflationary. So even we will have a quarterly burn. It's not clear yet the mechanism for the deflationary way, but basically the token, it will be inflationary, at least for now, the information that is available. So we will have more tokens over time, even if some part of the circulating supply will be reduced from some burn mechanism. But that part is not really clear yet. Regarding the roadmap, still not much information. This is more like a to-do list that they put here. But basically, we will have the initial stake offering. This is the next event, the next important event. This is the way that we will be able to stake our ADA tokens into a liquidity pool for SundaeSwap, and we will reward with Sundae tokens. Right now, this will be the only mechanism to get these tokens early. And this is happening in a couple of days only. That's why I am also doing this review. So the launch for this is Q3 of 2021. This will be attached for the launch also of Gogen on Cardano. We need smart contracts, like I say, so all these projects, the centralized exchange for Cardano, will be launched completely. The mainnets will be always attached to that moment on the blockchain. Before we continue with the video, remember that I am doing an amazing giveaway. I will be giving half of a Bitcoin to one winner and 5 Ethereum to 5 different winners. If you want to participate, it's super easy, just a couple of clicks. Follow the link in the description. But remember that you need to be subscribed to the channel with the bell on to be considered. One thing that I don't like from the start of this project is there are no information about the team, who is behind SundaeSwap. This is on the official site of the gitbook.io. We are choosing for now to remain anonymous, through some of our team is not. So there are not much information about the team. Actually, there's no information. I found a couple of things that I will be showing, but this is a red flag for me. Also, we don't have the public repository of the project, so we don't know how many of the developers are in the team, or what if they are really working on the project or not. All the repositories are private, so we don't have access to that. That's another red flag for me. Regarding the ISO for SUNDAE, so this is the initial stake pool offering. What we will be doing here, well, I will put some links on the description for this, because here you will be able to know how the rewards are going to be calculated. But basically what we are going to have is the opportunity to put our ADA tokens, if you own Cardano tokens, in a stake pool that they will tell us from the team. And first we are going to get the ADA rewards, but after the sixth epoch we are going to start receiving SUNDAE tokens as reward. That will be the only way to get these tokens before start to get into the market or exchanges. So this is why I want to do this video, to tell you how to do this. How the will rewards be distributed. Cardano rewards operate on a 3 epoch lag. So after the pool has been live for 3 epochs, each epoch is 5 days. So our first SUNDAE distribution will happen very close to each epoch close. And I will show you after this. In terms of the community, I mean the Twitter, they have 41k followers. That is a lot regarding against competitors of this decentralized exchange for Cardano that I will be reviewing. They don't have a great marketing team yet. I think they are a very small team, even if I don't know information about the team. When I look which ones are these 82 following persons, you will see that they are following Mr. Beast, for example, or other YouTubers, not only Charles Hoskinson or dedicated to the project. So I think the person that is managing the Twitter account is not the marketing team yet. So that's why you can see Mr. Beast here, for example, which is okay if this is your personal Twitter, but it's not if you are a business Twitter account. In other news, well, there are of course not much news about the SundaeSwap. It's a very new project, but one important thing is that the ISO, it will happen the 25th of May. So that is 4 days from now. So in order to participate in this, we will need to stake our ADA into the liquidity pool that they will provide on that same date. So I would recommend you to join the Twitter, because they are going to post there the information. How can you participate on this? Well, if you are familiar with crypto and ADA, first make sure you are using a wallet that supports native tokens and staking your crypto. As for right now, we have confirmed that Daedalus and Yoroi and Adelite support both futures with variety levels of user friendliness. I will recommend you Daedalus because they are more friendly with the Cardano ecosystem, but I use Daedalus and Yoroi already, and both of them work very fine. It will work like a MetaMask extension also, so you can download or look into any tutorial how to get your ADA in these wallets. Once you have that, search for our pool ticker once we announce it, and delegate your ADA to our pool, and that's all there is to it. So 3 epochs later, that will be 15-20 days, so or June 14. If you delegate right when we launch, you should receive your first distribution of SUNDAE tokens, providing that you are acquired enough to offset the fees to send it to you. So basically there's not much to do, and there's not risk on this, because when you put in the liquidity pool from these Cardano pools, your crypto is always on your wallet, so your crypto never goes out of your Daedalus of your wallet, so you don't have a risk. The only risk here, if the project is not legit or doesn't success, is that you will be missing to earn the ADA rewards instead of the SUNDAE tokens. but your tokens of ADA are secure here. Of course, for all this process, you need to pay some fees. Probably the 25 of May, I will launch a tutorial explaining how to do this step by step, because I will do it. I will put part of my ADA on this liquidity pool to earn some SUNDAE tokens, because I consider there is not much risk, but that will be how you will be able to get these tokens. I want to show you guys a little about one of the lead developers. I found a podcast 2 days ago that they revealed his identity, I would say. So the podcast is very good. This guy has 20 years of experience as a developer. That's what he says. This is a 1 hour podcast. I already hear it. I have a very good impression of this guy. This is one of the co-founders. I know the team, for what he said here, is very small, maybe around 10 people only. So that is a yellow flag for me. But this guy, I think, has a lot of experience as a developer. So I will put a little of this so you can see it.
Thank you guys for clicking on this podcast today. Today, I'm with one of the lead developers of SundaeSwap. Can you introduce yourself for us?
Yeah, so my name's Pi. I am one of the co-founders and lead developers on SundaeSwap. I've been programming for 21 years, and I've been in the crypto space since about 2010. The Bitcoin white paper got slashdotted, and I hopped on the Bitcoin Talk forums. I left the Bitcoin space in like 2012 or so for a little while, and then came back in 2017 and really fell in love with Cardano. And I've been following it ever since, and then was really looking for a way that I can contribute to the Cardano ecosystem and build something cool and needed. And so that's how I fell in with SundaeSwap.
Well, that's a little bit, at least we see a face of the team project, and I will be following the project and news and see if we can have more information of the different developers of the project and stuff. But for now, you can check some Reddit comments, and many people are concerned about this situation of the anonymous from the team members. But anyways, like I said, there are no risks for this investment. So right now I will show my summary for this project. SundaeSwap, we have the SUNDAE token, will host our initial stake pool offering on Cardano mainnet. I think this is a green flag for me. I think it's a very legit way to get growth a community and offering your tokens for free. The fee will go with a fee structure of 0.2%, like I mentioned. This is the same like PancakeSwap, and it's cheaper than Uniswap. I think this is a very fair amount of the fee. For this 2%, we will give the 75% to the liquidity pool, and the rest will go to the SUNDAE Bank, which will be used to fund lotteries, marketing campaigns, and partnerships. So I think that's a very good use of the field that will be collecting the percentage of the fee. So I think that's very good. The SUNDAE Tokenomics is that the token is inflationary. More tokens will be created over time, but says that will be deflationary mechanism. So it's a little weird. There's no clear information, so that is a red flag for me. They plan to launch on Q3 of 2021. The Alonso and Gauguin launch on August will bring smart contracts to Cardano blockchain, and that will be part of this project. So we need to wait a lot. That is a yellow flag for me. They will mint the 200 million SUNDAE tokens for the ISO. So we don't have actually the information of the max supply that this token will have. I think it will be something similar to 10 billion like Polkadot. I think that will be around what they plan to do, but this is my speculation only. The team is a mystery. Even I saw one of the Reddit comments about the team. I didn't find names and backgrounds. That is a very big red flag for me when I want to invest in a project. The GitHub repositories also are private, not public, so we cannot check the dev progress. That is a red flag. The roadmap is unclear. There are not very much details on that. No clear partnerships yet. The community also is small, and the website is under construction, so we don't have a clarity there neither. Those are yellow flags for me. So going into the stake your ADA in our pool, and we will airdrop your SUNDAE proportionally to your contribution. I have already link here on how you can calculate your SUNDAE rewards according to what you will put in the pool. So I will put this link in the description so you can calculate your earnings. Going back here, the stake pool will be able for the first delegations on May 25, and the first distribution of SUNDAE will happen on June 14. So you need to put your ADA on May 2025 on the liquidity pool that they will tell us that information by Twitter. The ISO is secure and completely safe, since funds never leave one's wallet when staking, and there is no risk of a rug plug or exit scam, especially if tokens are distributed every epoch. SUNDAE tokens are estimated value on 8 cents for the ISO. So each SUNDAE token will have an estimate value of 8 cents. So you can calculate your estimations with a link that I will put in the description. And how this works, basically we will put the ADA tokens. Imagine the 6 epoch time frames if 12,000 ADA were to be staked. In the first epoch, you will get 10 ADA is earned from your previous stake pool. In the second epoch, you begin the switch to SundaeSwap pools. You continue to earn 10 ADA from your previous pool. In the third epoch, the same, you continue. Your stake is snapshotted by the blockchain as part of our pool. So 10 ADA is earned from your previous stake pool. In the fourth, you help SundaeSwap get elected as a block leader and acquire rewards. You continue to earn 10 ADA from your previous pool. Then your rewards from the previous epoch are calculated. You earn one last reward of 10 ADA from your previous pool. On the sixth epoch is where you are going to be paid for your delegation reward from 3 epoch and earn approximately 210 SUNDAE tokens. So if you stake 12,000 ADA tokens, you will earn 210 tokens according to this example. But to be sure, just check the link that I will put here where you have all the math that you need to do. It can never exactly, because it will depend on some factors and the ADA price also. But basically that's it. So here is my resume for this project, SundaeSwap. For now, I am planning to enter on May 25 into this liquidity pool, and I will do a step-by-step tutorial so we can earn those SUNDAE tokens. I will do it on the same day that I will be entering into the liquidity pool, so you can see my tutorial on the 26th of May. Well guys, that's it all for this video. Please, before leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. I also will be covering another project. I think that we can review all these projects together and have an advantage to another people to enter into this market, and maybe SUNDAE tokens could be the next PancakeSwap. And you know what happened with these tokens, they have like 100x. So if the bull run continues and we have successfully smart contracts of Cardano in August, I think this token by the end of the year could be around $1 or even more. So that will be a very legendary rally for this token if the project succeeds and if all the red flags convert into green flags and we have more information. I am giving the doubt to this project because it's in early stages, and all the projects for the centralized exchange for Cardano are in early stages because we need the August mainnet launch for Gogen. Well guys, that is all for today. Please put your comments below and subscribe and like the video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.